Detel has come up with a new feature phone called the D1 Dezire. This interesting feature phone has many capabilities and follows the D1 and D1 Prime. This is Abhinaya from GizBot and I will take you through this video. This is the Detel D1 Dezire feature phone. It has a rear camera, LED flash and the speaker grill. The LED flash can be doubled as a torchlight. At the front, there are useful dedicated keys and a 2.8-inch display. Now, to unlock this phone, you need to press the menu button and the star button. Likewise, to lock it, you need to press the power button. Now, unlocking this phone, you will find out there are many useful functions. If you long press the back button, you will be able to turn on the LED flash at the rear, and again you can turn it off by long pressing the same button. Likewise, you can press the dedicated camera button instead of digging into the menu options to open the camera. Now there is an easy control for the phone book as well. Now long pressing the number 5 key will take you to the emergency calls, and long pressing on the back button will take you to the user controls, including the flight management, the profiles and the power saving mode. Now in the settings menu, you can find the phone settings which has options for different languages. This feature phone supports up to 23 different languages, and you can choose the same from the display language and writing language as per your choice. There is also wireless FM. You can access the wireless FM by long pressing the star key.
Ambitious endeavor to book your dream home. Contact.
And long pressing the hash key will take you through the different user profiles. This is meeting, this is general, and this is the silent or vibrate mode. On opening the menu, you can find that the voice will read out the different menu options.
Multimedia. Extra.
This device supports browsing with a web browser installed in it, and there is Facebook support as well, which makes it interesting. Usually we would see the power saving modes in the smartphones. This feature phone has such a feature, and you can enable it by long pressing the 0 key. Now the power saving mode is enabled. You can see the screen is a little dim in this mode. Again, you can turn it off by long pressing the 0 key. Now this feature phone from Detel has a removable 1500 mAh battery, and there is a dedicated dual SIM card slot and a micro SD card slot supporting up to 16 GB of expandable storage. The Detel D1 has an interesting feature which lets you pair it with a Bluetooth device and receive calls and make calls as well as listen to music through the feature phone itself without touching your smartphone. So let's see how to make use of this feature. So I'm going to the menu, and you can find the Bluetooth option in the Detel menu. Over here, pair your smartphone with the BT phone option. So we have a smartphone paired here, and we will show you how you can enjoy this feature. So I have called this phone. So you can see that both the phones are receiving the call. Now this feature phone is available only in black color, and it is priced at Rs 1999 on the box, and it will be available at a lesser price of 1099. Thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe to our GizBot YouTube channel. You can hit the bell button next to the subscribe button to get the latest videos that we upload to this channel.